What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you a tip, an ultimate tip to get your seedlings off on the right start, and that is when the temperatures are above 40 degrees outside during the day, you will want to go ahead and set them outside. Now, it doesn't look like it's over 40, but it is, even though there's snow on the ground, and the reason why is because the light is a lot brighter than any grow light, even in the shade. That is a recommendation. Just put your seedlings in the shade as soon as they become approximately 2 weeks old. Will become 2 weeks old, go ahead and every day or every other day, whenever you can, go ahead and set your seedlings outside. This will help your seedlings to get used to the conditions around it so that they're able to get off on the right foot when you go ahead and go transplant them. As you can see, there's a little bit of a breeze today, and alluding to my previous video talking about a fan, you really don't even need a fan if you go ahead and set your seedlings outside, because the wind, the gentle breeze, if it's like 30 miles an hour, don't go ahead and set your seeds out. Keep them inside, because that'll just tear your whole seedling tray up. But if it's just like a gentle breeze like you see here, 5 to 10 miles an hour, that will help and go ahead and strengthen up the seedlings. Preferably you want to wait until it's a little over 50, but it's such a nice day, such a blue sky day that it's a great day to have your seedlings outside. So that's just a quick little tip that will help your seedlings to get off on the best of starts, and it's just something you don't really even have to think about. You do want to make sure you set your seeds back inside into a warm environment at night. That way they don't go into any sort of major shock, and generally it usually gets too cold at night. Here it's still getting down into the upper 20s at night, which would kill all of your seedlings. So just be sure to remember to bring them back inside under, even if you have grow lights on a certain timer, go ahead and put those there. But it's just a nice little tip and something that I have done that reduces transplant shock, and I figured, hey, take this step now, help your seedlings get out onto the best of starts, and then when you go ahead and do have to harden off, you only have to do the one-step hardening off process, which if you don't want to miss, subscribe. But in the meantime, if you want to see my ultimate seed starting setup and everything that I have used and only the essentials that you need to have, go ahead and check out this video right here.